Hola and welcome back to Kim at Home. Today's video is all about some amazing hacks that I want to show you guys. These are hacks that actually work. They're not hacks to waste your time. They're to make your job easier. We're supposed to work smart and not hard. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M. I love to do videos pertaining to home life, so I like to give you tips, life hacks. I also do cooking, cleaning, DIYs, tutorials, fixing things, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you are interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe, the like button, and that notification bell. That way you won't miss out on any of my videos. So, some of the products that we are going to use in today's video consist of, but not limited to, an iron, nail polish, furniture polish, vinegar. Of course, if you've been here, you know I'm going to show you some cleaning hacks using vinegar. Baking soda. So yeah, we got a relaxing vibe going on over here, and I hope you enjoyed this video. You're going to learn so many new things, as did I, and I really enjoyed filming this as well. For my first essential oil hack, it involves toilet paper. I know that sounds weird, and I know people get weirded out by like bathroom stuff, but the good thing about this is all you have to do is take your favorite essential oil, you pour it on the inside, on the actual toilet paper roll, and then every time you pull on the toilet paper, you're going to smell the essential oil rather than smelling your, you know what I'm saying? When I put this on, I like to do it on both ends.
Is clouding up your mind. Don't stop until common sense applies. The sun illuminates ahead. Need you to let go.
They smell so good. Another great thing to do with essential oils, if you have a trash can that's in the house and it smells bad, what you can do is take your essential oil with a paper towel, sprinkle the essential oil on the paper towel, and then you want to put it on the bottom of your trash can. Here is another thing that you can put in your trash can. Another hack for the trash can is to line it. If you put a plastic bag in there, it will prevent it from being like really dirty, so you won't have to clean it as often. My next hack with essential oils also includes baking soda. I've done this before on this channel, but it was probably sometime last year, so I just wanted to share that with you again. In order to get like your carpet fresh, your furniture fresh, your bed fresh, get you some baking soda, honey. And then you'll want to pour your favorite essential oil inside the baking soda. You'll sprinkle it on whatever needs to be refreshed, allow it to set for about 20 minutes, and then you just simply vacuum it up. Bergamot has like a citrus smell to it, more so of like lime. It's so hard to get this at the right angle to pour. Am I the only one with that problem? I probably am. We are in my hallway. It doesn't necessarily smell bad, but it's always good to refresh your space, right? This is all you do with that hack. It already smells nice and fragrant. For my next hack, it only requires you to have clear nail polish. Now, it's very important that you have clear nail polish. You don't want a colored nail polish for this hack. On these button-down shirts, the buttons pop off quite easily on a lot of those shirts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the clear nail polish on that part of the button so it won't pop off. It actually works too. The clear nail polish hack is the simplest hack that you can do to prevent your buttons from popping off. I really like that hack. Like I said, it works well, so let me know if you try it. For my next hack, all you need is some furniture polish. I don't necessarily have like Pledge furniture polish. However, I do have the method, and I think I'm gonna try it just to see if it works. So what I have been told is you spray this on your shower door, you clean it off, and it repels water, so you won't get like hard water stains. So I will basically let you guys know if it worked or not in the voiceover, but this is what we're gonna try. I really wish I knew about this hack a long time ago. It would have saved me a lot of time, and it does work. I will tell you this, it definitely cleaned off the grime.
I don't wanna seem to shaky.
Next hack involves boiling water. So while the water is boiling, I'm gonna go ahead and straighten up the kitchen. I need to just unload the dishwasher.
Cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. I'll choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs, I need a night like this.
With your silver silverware when you're unloading your dishwasher. I don't know if you have a contraption where you can take out, however I do. You probably do because this dishwasher is like 85 years old. So anyway, that's a good hack to get it done quickly. A good thing you can do is just to put the silverware into your dishwasher so that the handle is sticking up. So when you unload your dishwasher, you're not actually touching the part that you eat off of. As you can see, that water is boiling. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this wooden spoon in that water because they say that with the wooden spoons, if you put them in boiling water, that residue that you have on them will come off. So let's try it and see if it works. There are particles in the water. You guys will have to let me know if you think this is a fail. Let me put it in better lighting for you. Let me know if you think this is a fail or a win. Like I said, some did come off, but I mean, to me, there's still some yellow. The yellow is like curry and turmeric. These cups can have a tendency of smelling weird. So if you have a Yeti cup and it smells weird, all you have to do, spray some vinegar in it, put the lid on, allow it to sit for like, I don't know, maybe 30 minutes, and that smell will be gone. For my next hack, I have 2 space-saving hacks. Now, before you come for me in the comments, I want to meet everyone at their level, and a lot of people don't know that, you know, you can kind of just save space by doing certain things. The certain thing that we're going to do is fold these cleaning cloths very small, because it's going to be a space saver because I have so many, and we're going to put them into a tray, in a drawer, and keep it moving, okay? And just for the record, they do not have to be nice and neat. I do not fold anything nice and neat.
Different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall.
It's just that simple. Here's what we are looking like. Are they folded perfectly? Absolutely not. But they're going in a drawer, and it really doesn't matter.
We are.
I picked these up from at home. This was $11.99. This is another space saver. So what I'm gonna do is get these washed up first. Before I proceed with this space saving hack, here's another hack for you really quickly. Do you wanna have soft hands and soft skin? Put some gloves on when you washed up, girl.
There's something different about us. We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up.
I don't mind if it's like a lot of stuff in here, just so that I have like a little bit more space in here, because we cooks in this house, okay? We have lots of cooking utensils, so that is a great space saver. But I'm going to fill these up with more stuff to save even more space, because for me, it does not have to be perfect. This is not Pinterest, this is real life. Always remember, do what you can with what you have where you are. Make 2023 that year of you getting to know yourself, getting to love yourself, and doing the things that actually make you happy. But you have to get to know yourself before you know what makes you happy, right? So turn all that negative talk around that people may be doing about you, and at the end of the day, it's not really your business how they feel about you. Just say your affirmations, look in the mirror, and know that you are enough. I think it looks 1000% better. I'll probably get one more of these because they come in a pair. That way I can spread it out just a little bit more, but this drawer looks better. It's great for everything to have a place, right? So I feel like this right here, we went in with this hack. We saved a lot of space. I mean, at the end of the day, it's fine for me the way that it is. The next hack I have in store for you requires an iron. So let me just give you a backstory, okay? I did some Christmas DIYs. I used my hot glue gun and I got a little bit on my stool in my kitchen. So I'm gonna go, I keep looking down there because it's right there. Anyway, I got a little bit of glue on my stool, so I wanna get it off. The simple thing that you can do is find a cloth that you don't need. I'm just going to iron over the spot. Let me show it to you first. Not a big spot at all, just right here. You could pick it off, but if you pick it off, you're gonna pull off the fabric. So what you'll do is put your cloth over it and iron it. I have this on a very low setting. Again, here's my spot right here.
Crazy for saying
Ooh, it's getting loose.
maybe I'm escaping the love
Oh, wait. Looky there, looky there.
you. Something about you I like, about you I like.
Party people in the place to be. That's where my spot was, and as you can see, that is no longer there. How about that? I hope you guys really enjoyed these hacks. For my last and final hack, these are for all you candle lovers out there. In order for this to burn slower, put it in the freezer for about an hour prior to lighting it up, and it'll burn slower. How about that? I mean, come on now, that's an amazing hack. You have to admit. But I can't burn this candle because my daughter doesn't like the smell, and I just rather not, you know, hear her mouth. Real mom talk. That's it for today's video. I really appreciate you being here. Let me know if you're gonna try any of these hacks. And then if you do try them, let me know if they work. A lot of times people get on here and just show you some crazy stuff. I wanna make your job easier for you. I wanna make cleaning more fun for you. And I don't want you to spend like so much time cleaning your house. It's not that serious, okay? Clean one thing every single day, one room, and you ain't gonna have to deep clean for 8 hours on, you know, on the weekend. So anyway, but I do wanna answer one question that I got in the comments when I did my client's home. I got a question about commercial cleaning. To be honest with you, my thing is commercial cleaning. I do have like 3 clients that are residential that I always help out. But yeah, I normally do commercial cleaning only. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and join my YouTube family. We are called the Keep Up Crew. We want to keep up with everything in our homes, in our everyday lives, with work, family. Like, it's really, really overwhelming sometimes. So here you will get all kinds of great tips. You will get tricks on how to clean your house. You will get like cooking tutorials, how to fix things, all things pertaining to home. And please be sure to hit the like button. It really helps my channel. Thank you again for watching and have an amazing holiday. Bye guys.